How to find Surfshark coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Surfshark coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Surfshark is a cybersecurity company focused on developing humanized privacy and security solutions. Surfshark products include a VPN, antivirus, alert, a data leak detection system, search, a private tool, and lots more to come. So firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bit.ly/coupon-surfshark. Now, as you can see, you can get up to 50% off a month, as well as enjoy 3 months free with the purchase. So, tap on the Get Surfshark button and you will be able to see various options where you can enjoy offers such as 76% off, 83% off, 86% off, along with 3 months extra in all purchase for 24-month subscription, and also enjoy similar types of offers in 12 months. So go ahead and select the offer that suits your preference the best, and further log yourself in to go ahead and enjoy the offer. So, this was about Surfshark coupon code. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do comment on our video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.